Hello, my beauties. I hope you guys are doing well today. On today's episode, I will be showing you how to draw your brows like a pro. Trust me, it's not as hard as people say it is. You just need to follow these basic steps that I show you, and you will be able to get that perfect and banging looking brows. Please and please go subscribe, like, comment, and share. And also turn up that notification button so that at the moment I upload any video, you'll be the first to know. I'll be using my MAC Prep and Prime. I love this product because it does both of it. It preps your face, make your face moisturized and all of that, and also prime your face for any type of product that you want to put on top to have a really nice and really smooth look. And I'm drying it off right here. Make sure you tap in well and make sure it's dry. Using my ColourPop eyebrow pencil, it has both the pencil and the mascara one. If you don't have this, you can always get a separate mascara one to brush out your brows. Right here, I'm going to be drawing the line just right under my brow. I'm tracing. If you see how I'm tracing it. I'm not going so much out of it. I'm just drawing that line as close as possible, to my brows. And I'm doing the same thing up from my brows too. I think that once you have and you maybe shape your brows in a very good and nice way, you'll be able to get that perfect looking brow. And that's what I do. Sometimes I shape my brows like once in a month. It depends on how fast your brow grow. So if you have your brows shaped, I don't mean shaved, it will give you that perfect brows. Right now, I'm just going to be going in with my Pro Concealer and Yellow Corrector, as you guys know. And I'm going to be placing it underneath, but not so close. I put it this way first so that it helps me in case I make mistakes or whatever. I'll be able to correct it well. And I'm going in right now and moving it as close as possible to the drawn brow that I have there. Please don't just go in with your concealer and start highlighting your brow. Do it carefully, and you can take it portion by portion. What I'm trying to say. I've been doing it for a very long time, so go at your own pace. If you see what I'm trying to do here, I'm also connecting the lines because that helps you to know how it makes it look better. It makes it look uniform. One side is not going up and the other side is coming down. So that's why I have this line drawn in the middle of my face so that I can measure it. That's how I do it. You can do it any other way you want, but I feel like this method helps you my beauties in a very simple way to draw that brows. It's not as complicated as people make it seem. So right here, I'm just going back to make every part that I have drawn kind of uniformed and all of that. And I'm just trying to blend it in. And right now I'm using my MAC foundation in NC42 to highlight the top part of my brows. As you can see, that's what I'm doing right here. Never use the same concealer that you use for the underneath part of your brows for the top part of it, because I feel like when you use your foundation, it just makes the top part very natural and all of that, in my opinion. A lot of people say they put their own concealer then put their foundation over it, but I use my foundation on top of it. So go into it and make sure that you take your time. There's no need rushing. Just take your time with it. Consistency is key. You see how I'm trying, I'm not rushing it. I'm trying to trace it, trying to draw that straight line. And when I got to the arc, I'm moving closer to my mirror just to look closely at it to see that the line is drawn uniformly. Now I'm cleaning out in that I drew, so I'm just trying to blend it out and make sure that it looks very natural, you know, going into it again to correct whatever it is that, you know, I didn't do right in the first place. Look, I'm a little bit of a perfectionist. I always make sure that I get that sister looking brow. You know, a lot of people go out and you see their brows looking funny. They don't look the same and all. So I'm just trying as much as possible to make sure that it looks like sisters. This is the trick. You can never have the same looking brows, but you can make it look like it is the same. And that's why I draw all these lines, you know, to help me trace it, you know, and I can always clean it out later on. And what I'm doing right here, I'm using my mascara wand to comb out the bridge of the tip close to the bridge of my nose, you know, to make it look very natural and all. I also always use my highlighter brush to pat my brows really light, you know, just to make the beginning of my brows, the transition of my brow, look very natural. You know, here I'm going in with my foundation brush and I'm blending. Look, you cannot run away from blending. I'm using my, I believe it's my Real Technique brush. It's the Curl collection. It has it in like 4 sets and all, so I'm using the foundation brush from it. I'm going to be using my MAC setting spray. I'm spraying it all over my face, but this time around I'm not letting it dry before I go in to put in my foundation. Also in NC42 from MAC, you know, I'm just putting a little and tapping it. Doing it this way, putting a foundation when you finish drawing your brows, you know, it just makes your face look uniform. You know, you've gone in and you've put all this concealer and all of that, putting your foundation on it, I feel like this would, you know, make you look very nice. You know, you don't go out there looking like one Ojuju Calabar and all of that. You know, you don't want to be looking for that. I still had some patches, so I'm going in with my foundation brush to close up the part that I didn't get. We're done with drawing these brows, and I hope that with these simple steps that I've shown you would help you achieve, you know, that nice looking brow. I've realized that knowing how to draw your brows, you know, just helps a whole lot. You don't have to, you don't have to pay a whole lot of money to have your brows done or looking for a makeup artist. What if your makeup artist disappoints you and all? Knowing how to draw your brows could just help you. Look, I don't even have so much done. Just drawing your brows defines your face and, you know, make it look good. Just put a little bit of foundation and you'll be good. Though I'll be showing you other videos as to how to apply your foundation, how to highlight your face properly, how to contour your face and all, but that will be on another segment. I am so happy that I have you as my audience. If there's any other look that you want to see, or if there's any other thing you want me to do, please comment down below and let me know. I'm open to teaching people, so just comment down below and let me know what you would want to see for the next video. Until another time, you my beauties, stay blessed and beautiful. Bye y'all.